I wasn't really planning on doing a fourth video in this series, but I was talking to Kevin about my video just this morning, and the first thing he said was, did you demonstrate the interactions of a collection with a list box? It's that thing, Kevin Doherty does. He does that thing where he finds the one problem and names it instantaneously. It's that. Say what you will about it, it's helpful. So here we are. I've made a small number of revisions just really quickly. So I made one change to the card class file. This is me overriding the toString function for the card class. So it's overriding toString, and all it's doing is it's going to return the card value concatenated with concatenated with the card suit. That's it. But it's really handy because I'm going to be storing these card objects in the Listbox items, and it's going to show that as the card's value, which is pretty cool. Looking at the form, there's now a list box instead of a text box, so the shuffle button now clears the list box instead of the text box, but that's really the only change there. I added a button for funsies called Deal, and what this is going to do is remove just the first index and clear the list box. Pretty straightforward. The View Deck button has had some changes to accommodate for changing from a text box to a list box. It's clearing the list box, and for each card in the deck, it's going to add an item to the list of items, and it's just going to be the card. For each card in the deck, add the item to the box. So that's pretty simple. The form has changed a little bit too because of that Deal button and because of the change to a text box. So when we look at it, we can view the deck. We can shuffle the deck and view the deck. It's the entire deck in a shuffled order. Notice the first couple cards there, 7 of spades, Queen of spades, 8 of clubs. Deal, view deck, Queen of spades, 8 of clubs. Deal, view deck, 8 of clubs. So Deal is removing that one individual index. So that's a little bit of just the interactions between a list and a list box in your form.